Your Eargo devices ship with medium ear tips attached. We have included other size options for you to ensure your ears are comfortable. If you need to swap ear tip size, turn the charger tray over to find accessories. Peel the film up and remove it. If you feel the fit is too loose, try the large size. If you feel the fit is too tight, try the small size. To remove the ear tip, hold the device firmly around its middle. With your other hand, grasp the bottom layer of the ear tip and peel it away. Align the bare sound outlet with the base of the ear tip. Press the device into the base of the ear tip. Then push it down evenly so that it can't go any further. Check for secure fit by gently tugging the ear tip away from the device. Happy hearing!